In this video I will show you how to copy and paste multiple items at once in Windows 10 and 11. Open Microsoft Office Word document, then press Windows plus V key on your keyboard to turn on clipboard history. You can also turn on clipboard from here. See, I copy multiple items from here. Press Windows logo plus V key on your keyboard to multiple paste. See multiple copy paste working well. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.